Hello everyone, I am Akshay again, and today we are going to discuss how we can sell on solarclue.com portal. I get a lot of questions from manufacturer, distributors, or dealer that how I can register on SolarClue. First of all, this is the main question, and how I can upload my products also on solarclue.com. So today we are going to discuss this question, this important question, and how you can get orders for free without much of hassle. For understanding this, first of all, we have to understand what is solarclue.com. First of all, solarclue.com is a solar product marketplace. That means it is an e-commerce website where sellers and customers come together on a single platform. It is, in short, it is just like Amazon, Flipkart, Moglix, Myntra, from wherever you do online shopping. So this is solar in solarclue.com. You can do solar products shopping. Sellers can display their product with the price, specification, and the image. Customer will look at this product. If they are interested, they are going to purchase it. If the customer purchases the product, seller will get the notification with all the details of the customer. Then they have to supply the products which is ordered by the customer. So in this way, both the sellers and customers are going to get benefited. So So the example is, if suppose you are a seller of solar lamps in Punjab, you have a shop or you are a dealer or you are a distributor in any district of Punjab, for example, then your customer will come from the nearby locations only. But if you put this product on solarglue.com, all over India people can see your products. So if you select your selling zone all over India, we will discuss what is selling zone in the coming video in this video only. So how you can select the selling zone. So if you select your selling zone all over India, then people from all over India can see your products and buy your products. So that means your shop, the items in your shop will not be now for the local district people. It will be available now for any person in India, wherever, if they are from Karnataka, Maharashtra, or Tamil Nadu, or Northeast, Assam, Meghalaya, anywhere people can will buy your products. So for showing this, I will show you. You can see this video also. I will put this video link in the description section. Please have a look. For with more one more example, I will show you. Suppose this is the solarclue.com. You have to open solarclue.com website. Here only your products are going to get displayed. By going to this website, this is for the customers. What customer will see? This website is for you, for the sellers. Here you are going to upload, and here people will be able to see your products. So let's say you go to the popular brands. All the brands which solarclue.com is selling or which is visible on solarclue.com is shown here. So suppose you are going to want to be a seller, no? So Solar Universe India is also a seller location. You can, let's say you want to see their products in Bangalore. You are a customer and you want to see it in Bangalore, what products are available. So you will see a lot of products are available from Solar Universe India. So suppose you want to buy this torch. Let's say you want to buy this torch. So this is the image of the product. This is the second image of the product. You can even put a installation images or a delivery image, so that customer will get more confidence that these kinds of products are getting delivered also. So these are the description section. Battery is this much, backup time is this 4 hours, 300 lumens, warranty 6 months, made in India, everything that a customer will like to read. So this Solar Universe India have written this. So if you type any pin code, let's say this is a Bangalore pin code, the product is available with the same price. If you put Delhi pin code, this is also the same price and it is showing available. So this product, they have selected the selling zone all over India. That is why it is showing all over India. So now, like this, you also can upload your products and you can reach your customer from throughout the India. So now we will be discussing our main 3 points. Before that, I will show you. Okay, look, 181 different types of products they have displayed, from solar panel to street lights to LED lantern, solar lamps, everything, solar battery, solar motor, solar pumping system, everything they have uploaded. Okay, so now coming to our main website, which is seller.solarflow.com. So here from now onward, the main knowledgeable information you will be going to get. First question is how you can register on SolarGlue seller portal. So these are the two main things. If you are already a registered customer, you have to log in. If you are coming for the first time, you have to click on register. Before that, I will like to show you. You can read FAQs. People have a lot of doubts. It is okay to have doubts. So in this about us, you can read about the SolarGlue company. So you can read this, and frequently asked questions, FAQs. So what is sell on SolarGlue? Who can sell on SolarGlue? When can I start selling? I don't have GST number. How can a SolarGlue help me? GST number is mandatory to become a SolarGlue seller. However, if you don't have GST number, do not worry and contact our support team. So all those confusions question is already written on our website. You can read that also. So suppose you are coming for the first time. You have to click on register. So you enter your name. You can enter your name also and your company name also, mobile number where you want to get your all the informations and all, email ID, and the password. You can set your new password. After putting that, you can click on send OTP. When you click on this, a OTP box will come and you will get a message, SMS, on in your mobile number, and you put your OTP here and you click on register. If you do this, your registration will be done, and now you have already registered. So now you can go here, you can click on login. What will happen if you register? Two things is going to happen when you register. You will get an email from SolarGlue on the email ID which you have given. So you have to go to your email and click on the mail and click on the link which SolarGlue has given. Click on it, and by this method, when you do this, your email ID will be registered. This procedure is to check if the email ID is fake or not. Second thing what is going to happen is you are going to get a WhatsApp message on the mobile number which you have given. You will be getting one or two documents which will show how to upload the products and what is the business model of SolarGlue. Okay, so since now you have registered and now the first step is done, now moving to the second step, SolarGlue will ask you a few more questions. You have to answer all the questions. So now let me try. I have yesterday filled the form. So first of all, it will ask you these questions. These things will open and it will show that you have completed 0% only. So name you can put, mobile number and email ID, again it will ask you. Okay, this is done. Second thing is you have to fill the company name. What is your company name? You have to fill here. Second thing is you can, these are the categories. You can see here also on the customer: solar appliances, lights, component, inverters, power system, everything. In appliances also, solar water heater, everything is there. So when you filling, you have to fill this only. So coming this, what products you are going to sell, from which category you are going to sell your products, that you have to click. Like if you want to sell batteries, I have tick mark, solar components, solar inverter and solar lights. Already my company address, pin code, and I have to go and save and next. Now selecting the location. Now the main important topic of this is, one of the major topic is selling zone. What is selling zone? So you have to select selling zone. Selling zone is that state or that city where you wanted to display your product. So if you select whole Rajasthan, your products will be displayed in whole Rajasthan. If you select Haryana, your product will be sold in whole Haryana. If you are from Tamil, if you want to sell your products in Tamil Nadu, select selling zone as Tamil Nadu only. So suppose you are selecting only Tamil Nadu. Suppose you are a seller from Tamil Nadu and only are selecting Tamil Nadu, then that means customers from Karnataka cannot buy your products and even cannot see your products also. Okay, so select your selling zone very carefully. If you are setting in, let's say, Tamil Nadu, and you have selected a selling zone in Rajasthan, any customer can purchase your product from Rajasthan. If they purchase that product, you have to ship the product. So that is why selling zone selection is important. But here selling zone, you can select anything, whatever you want to. So suppose I want to sell in let's say Delhi or Punjab. Okay, Punjab and Rajasthan is already selected. Now I can select cities. You can manually select the cities or you can select all the cities. So there are 157 cities in these two districts, or sorry, in these two states. So whatever product you are going to upload, it will be displayed for all the people in Punjab and Rajasthan. So when I am going to the next section, it will ask me the company name or the shop name or the distribution name, whatever name you have. PAN number and GST number is mandatory, and the state you can select from which state you are. Okay, so I'm not going to fill that because I don't have much of information on this. So suppose XYZ Pivot Limited, if I'm putting PAN number, you have to fill the correct PAN number, otherwise Soliflu team will reject your proposal. GST number and the state, let's say Punjab. Submit. PAN number is not valid. It has already checked. It is showing PAN number is invalid. So when you do that, your profile will be 100% completed and you will get a seller dashboard. So in the next section, next video we will see how you can register. You have done already the registration. You have uploaded all your documents.